This screencast is going to deal with how to add a new page to your wiki and then how to add images to that page. First, I'm going to choose a page on my wiki. This is my home page where I want to add a new page. I'm going to press the edit button. I'll see this menu come up. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add my new page right here below the content that I have already on this page. I'm going to call my new page Test Adding an Image to My New Wiki Page, because that describes what I'm doing. I'm going to highlight this text because I want to do something to it. Once it's highlighted, I'm going to go up to my link button. If I hold the little glove over the link button, it'll say Insert Link. I'm going to click. I always insert my new pages in a new window because I am more comfortable with the way I'm able to navigate from a new window. Instead of having to use the back arrows, I can simply close a new window and get back to where I was before. I'm going to insert a page or a file, not a web address, not an email address. This time it's a page or a file. I'm going to link the text, test, adding an image to my new wiki page, and I noticed that I put adding and image, so I'm going to delete the D right here in this text link text box. It's going to go in this wiki, a bird's eye view, that's my wiki, and it's going to go to a page with the same name. I'm going to say add link. When I come back from that window, the text will be different. It'll have turned blue, there will be an underline, and this little menu will appear. I'm going to just press save. My new page has been created, but there's nothing on it. It's right here. I'm going to click on it, and I can see this page doesn't exist yet because there's nothing on it. You can create it by clicking the edit button. I can push this edit button or this edit button. After I push the edit button, I'll see that I have this toolbar again, the same menu that I was using to edit my home page. This time, instead of link, I'm going to click on File. Now I have lots of pictures saved on my computer. I need to upload one of them because that's the one I want to use. I'm going to go to my desktop, and this looks like I have a picture of a cow. I'm going to look at it. Oh, that cow's riding a bike. Interesting. This cow's reading a book. I like that one. I'm going to choose it by clicking twice. Very quickly. Well, not there, but here. Twice. There. I can see that my computer is working to bring up this cow reading image. Once it comes up, I know that I've uploaded it. I'm going to click twice on it again, and voila, my picture is on my new page. So, I can make it larger by clicking the plus button. I can make it smaller by clicking the minus button. I can click off of there and I can add text below or above it. I can say, this is a cow reading a book. These are and then of course I'm going to press save. Now I have a new page called Adding and Image to my new wiki page. Somehow that didn't change to an, it stayed and if I go to my home page, I'll see that I have this new link, and if I click it, there's my new page. Now I'm a little concerned that it didn't change to and, so I'm going to try and work that out as well. Stick with me if you want to do that. I'm going to go back to my home page. I'm going to go back to edit. I'm going to highlight this link, and I'm going to say change. I want to change this. Instead of and, I want to say an. This is where I didn't change. This was my mistake. Adding an image to my new wiki. This should do the trick, I hope. Nope, it didn't. Adding an image to my new wiki. Let's see, I'm going to say change link. Ah, and it did the trick. I'm going to press save. Now I have adding an image to my new wiki. I've got a cow. This page didn't change either. Interesting. I'm going to go to Pages and Files. I'm going to find adding an image. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to say an image. I'm going to rename. I'm going to try this one last time. Go back to my home page. The link has changed, adding an image to my new wiki page, and hopefully, yes, the title of the page has changed. If you've stuck with me this whole time, you've learned a few things. You've learned how to add a link to a new page on your wiki site. You've learned how to add an image to your wiki site. And you've learned how to use the Pages and Files menu to go to any given page and rename it to the name that you prefer. Thanks. Happy wikiing.